How to cancel Remini subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you're looking forward to cancel out your Remini subscription, it is probably the most simplest thing to do. All you need to do is check out your Play Store. In the case of an iOS device, you actually have to head over to your mobile settings. However, if you are on your Android, just launch your Play Store. Make sure that you are logged in with the Gmail account with which you actually purchased your Remini subscription. After you ensure it, you need to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then you need to select on Payments and Subscription. From all of this option, tap on the subscription button. If you have subscribed to your Remini, here you will see the option of Manage Subscription. Just tap on it. Then, instead of Change Subscription, just tap on Cancel Subscription. After which you'll be able to successfully cancel out your Remini subscription. If you need further help and support, you can check out the help and support of Remini as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.